What a wonderful experience to be able to go out and hike in the desert. Here we are walking in the Negev, Israel's southern desert. We're at a place, we're starting off at a place that is called Han HaShayarot. It's the Shayarot Han, which is a tent city. I've already posted a video from the Han HaShayarot when I stayed there a few weeks back with another school. But here we arrived early in the morning at the same location, and we hiked from the Han HaShayarot towards Nachal Zin, going into the valley at Nachal Zin. So in this area we're passing on a dirt road. This road, as you can see, is wide enough for a jeep to pass on, but it's going to lead us down into the valley. Notice the hills on either side, and all of these kids, these are high school kids from an Israeli school, and I am one of the guides leading a class into the nature. It's a wonderful experience to unplug. Once we get into the valley, there's really no reception. You don't even need to tell the kids to turn off their phones because there's no reception at all. And then you can just emerge into the nature and the wildlife and into the wilderness and kind of connect to yourself and connect to the beauty of the land. Notice all of the views around us. There's very little vegetation here. It's very dry. The Negev, the earth of the Negev, the sand, in Hebrew it's called les, is the type of earth here does not the rains do not sink into the earth. They just roll down the side of the mountain. Here we can see in Hebrew this is called a Yael. And here we're walking further. We're in Nachal Havarim. This is a different type of earth and stone. It's called Havarim. It's like a white powder dust. And we're walking along this path. We started off on a path that's marked red lines, and then we connected with another path that is green. And we're going to walk through this entire valley, which will lead us to another path that is blue. And at the end, stay on until the end, because you'll see that it leads us to a place that is called the Serpentinot. And from there we hike up a very steep mountain to Midreshet Ben Gurion, the Ben Gurion College, which is also the tomb of David and Ben Gurion and his wife Paula, which is at the top of this mountain. All in all, it's a very enjoyable hike and very beautiful scenery, as you can see around us, and a wonderful experience, just unplugging and walking through the wilderness, connecting more to our inner selves. I invite you to come out with me and to walk through the valleys in the beautiful nature of Israel. לא, אין לי קליטה.
דוד, אתה נהנה? דוד, אתה נהנה?
כל הפנים, זה נראה אחרנו. למה לא? נו, זה כל הקטע.
מה הקטע בזה?
זה כל הקטע.
כאילו...
לא מישהו אחים, לא הולכים עליו.
ליטרלי לא. ליטרלי אמור את העצם. כאילו... אם היית מציע את זה סתם כאילו, כי עדיין לא הייתי עושה רבה. אבל דעתם כאילו הייתי יותר מבין. אם לא יש שם זה כאילו...
לא, זה כל הקטע. זה כל הקטע. לא, זה עוד סיבה למה כן לעשות.
תשמע, אני רק אומר, כן? אם זה היה לי יום הולדת...
היית כועס, בסדר.
נכון, זה שיום הולדת.
אתה יודע מה? לא על הפעם.
יו, יש שם יין, רותם. איפה? רחוק רחוק. אני רק עלינו בדיוק. דוד, אפשר לרוץ.